There are certain foods that can be helpful in improving your health and also in resolving issues like stomach discomfort and vomiting in extreme situations. Those foods can be a lot better for you than attempting to take multiple medications. There may even be times like when a woman is pregnant when using medications is to be avoided as much as possible. For that reason, it makes sense to learn about the alternatives. Eating ginger root is good for your health. There are many benefits to eating ginger, but it can be particularly helpful when eaten on an empty stomach. This is because there is no food to interfere with its interaction with your stomach acid. Ginger root is helpful for pregnant women and those with nausea and vomiting because it helps move the gas along that is trapped in the intestine. It is safe to use and effectively alleviates stomach issues because it seems to accumulate in the gastrointestinal tract. If sugar levels are too high in the stomach, there tend to be issued emptying properly. Ingesting ginger helps the stomach return levels to normal and go back to a regular process of emptying. This eliminates issues like pain, discomfort, and dreaded nausea and vomiting that occur in an attempt to balance these levels. Ginger also helps with pain and swelling and menstrual pain. This is because it has anti-inflammatory properties. In some cultures, the root has been used regularly for a spicy tang to the meal and also for its healing properties. Getting two benefits from the same food is not something to be underestimated. Ginger root, which is actually not a root but a horizontal underground stem, should be peeled before it is added to a dish for consumption. It also is ideal to utilize vegetables when you have an empty stomach, but it can be helpful even when you have already eaten. Look to ginger root, garlic, and other readily available foods to help with issues before turning to the medications that are available in stores or pharmacies. These foods can be beneficial in other ways while taking medicine can be dangerous if overdone. The use of ginger root was common in the Roman Empire, where it was a key product for trade due to its tasty addition to the meal and the added benefits of its medicinal qualities. While it is not as quickly recognized today, it is still important and still easy to procure. So add it to tomorrow's dinner and wait to see the benefits in your overall health almost immediately.